Hey everybody, it's Bobby here making another summertime wonderful simple recipe. A beautiful arugula salad with some of my favorite flavor profiles. I love grapefruit, so I've got some red grapefruit here. I love orange, got some orange and avocado and some lemon juice as a little preservative. Show you a little tip or trick that maybe you don't already know. And one of my mama's really, my favorite dressings that she does, a Vidalia onion poppy seed dressing. The Paula Deen brand, so you know it's good. All right, here we go. We're starting with just a bowl of arugula, super simple, and we'll go ahead and cut our avocado. My family and I, eat lots of avocados. I really like them. Hard to get good avocados down here, though. If you've ever been to California, then you really know what a good avocado is like. So it's a little bit hit or miss down here, but I've got a couple that I think are going to be nice. Be careful when you're doing this. I've got a couple of doctor friends that's, oh, this is beautiful too. Yeah, that's a hit right there. Got a couple of, or I've got one doctor friend that's like, we call it avocado hand in the ER. So when you go to remove the seed from the avocado, make sure that you're careful doing that. We're going to slice our avocado, and I like to do it inside of the shell here. So just run my knife through, and then when we spoon it out, you'll have some nice slices already there. Yeah, that's a pretty avocado, very pretty. So look, it comes out and it's already sliced. And the other half here, I said that this is a summer salad, and it really is. These ingredients are just screaming spring and summer, and but I like a good salad at any time of the year. I could eat salad every day. Sometimes I do. All right, so our avocado is pretty, but if you know avocados, you know that they don't stay that way. And lemon juice is a really great preservative for avocado. This will turn brown sitting out just in a couple of minutes. So what I'm going to do is just drizzle a little bit of lemon juice on top. And now our avocados will be pretty, long enough to make a salad with it and for us to eat them up. And those slices came out beautifully in the shell. Okay, great. Here we go. So just going to sort of place some grapefruit in and around our arugula salad here. And I'm not going to toss this and mix it up. I'm going to just lay stuff on top. And it's going to look really, really beautiful. These oranges are pretty. The grapefruit is pretty. It all looks super, super nice. Some avocado slices right on top. Oh boy. Your friends and family are going to be really, really happy with this. And that little bit of citrus, you know what I would do too? And since this is for me and mine, I think I will do it. I do this anyway at the house also. I'm going to just add a little bit of that lemon juice right to our salad. And just give it a little bit of a bite, a little bit of a hint of a bite there. It's going to be really, really good. My mama's salad dressing. Oh my gosh. Vidalia onion poppy seed dressing. That is some good stuff. Not going to overdo it. Just a little drizzle. That is a beautiful, fresh looking salad. A little bit of some coarse salt. A little bit of pepper. And the hardest part is all the prep. You know, juicing those lemons, cutting up the orange and the grapefruit. But the end result is worth the trouble. It's beautiful, picture worthy, and your friends and family will love it. I promise. So, bon appetit. Happy summer, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.